Hello everyone, and welcome to this SQL video course tutorial. In this series, we'll be diving into the fundamentals of structured query language, SQL, a powerful language used for interacting with databases. Whether you're new to SQL or looking to refresh your skills, this course will provide you with a solid foundation to work with relational databases effectively. This SQL tutorial series teaches SQL from beginner to advanced levels. An introduction to SQL to know why this query language was created, its history when first its launches, database management system for how to manage data, basic terms and concepts, and relevant database examples. SQL is a widely used query language for creating, maintaining, and retrieving relational databases. SQL performs CRUD operations on stored records. However, it is not a database system itself, only a query language. With SQL, users can retrieve, insert, update, and delete data from databases, suitable for various profiles, including beginner data scientists, data analysts, data engineers. This course is depend on person-to-person career selection. This course is created for those who begins those first career as a data scientist for knowing what is the role of data scientists in industry, who begins those first career as a data analyst either from tech background or non-tech, and know the techniques using Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, who begins career as a data engineer for working with data pipelines, databases, and data infrastructure, and for those who creates beautiful Power BI or Tableau dashboards to manipulate data, perform statistical analysis, and create visualizations with multiple data. Let's dive deeply into this course for knowing more information about SQL. As we all completely understood about SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL was initially developed in the early 1970s by IBM researchers Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce. The project was part of IBM's System, our research project aimed at developing a prototype of the first relational database management system. Now, in your mind, hitting the question, what is SQL? Throughout this course, we'll cover all topics in detail, along with hands-on examples and exercises to reinforce your understanding. This tutorial assumes some prior knowledge of SQL, but it's not mandatory because in this course we will be covering from basics to advanced. As we already know, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a specialized programming language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. Learning SQL is fundamental for anyone working with databases or pursuing a career in data-related roles. With SQL you can retrieve data from a database, insert user records into a database, update inserted data into a database. You can delete same records from database too, and you can create new databases as per your requirements. So we are going to practice all these things. Please feel free to comment and share any questions or thoughts on the content. Let's learn SQL to become proficient in this powerful business tool. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching my video.